Kumbaga, dito lumalabas yung sinasabi doon during the workshop na valuation is technical while taxation is political. So, ang nangyayari is na yung valuation na influence ng taxation policies ng mga LGUs. Yan. So, yun yung lumalabas. In short, pag mababa yung valuation or nung sa assessment, mababa yung taxes. Pag tumataas yung taxes. So, yung control napupunta, so to speak, doon sa assessor na hindi tuloy malaman kung bababa ko ba, itataas ko. So that's why with the passage of RA 12001, what will happen is the city assessor will create or will have their own value independent of taxation. Kumbaga, it will be used as a reference point, and then yung taxation via assessment levels and tax rates will be for the local chief executives or the sanggunian. So yung sasabi nila na valuation is a technical process while taxation is a political process. Yeah.